it's Jamie with Not Too Shabby. Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm doing our first sneak peek for our May products. May's theme is all about lavender and honey, so it's going to be a month full of beautiful lavender and honey bee products. May's box of the month and junior box of the month are completely full. There's absolutely no more spots open, so I'll have a waiting list link in the description box. I will be filling spots when a spot opens up through that waiting list. I want to share the beautiful products. We have this is all the lavender items that will be in your box, and then there's another collection that Teresa will be showing tomorrow, and that will be the honeybee collection. But don't worry, because we still have the paper pad and the coordinating ephemera available for purchase on the website. So those will be listed on May 1st at 9 a.m. Central Time. So let's take a look at the stamp set. We've got a beautiful half wreath of some lavender in a little bunch with a bow. This is called Lavender Skies. We've got the sentiments, hello, lavender skies and peaceful vibes, sending love and strength, thank you. In a world of chaos, let lavender be your serene escape. So really pretty stamp set. And then this one's super cute. This one's called Tranquil Pause. Look at that super cute kitty with the little flower wreath on top of her head. We've got a sun and a cloud. We've got a little bee buzzing around, a solid heart, a watering can filled with flowers, a little cluster here of lavender. We've got this great solid lavender stamp. You can stamp it as a silhouette in black or ink it up with color. We've got a little ladybug and a little twig here. And the sentiments read, buzzing by to say hi, relax and unwind, sending a little slice of calm your way, and lavender dreams. So I made a really super cute card with this set. So I have buzzing by to say hi, that cute little bee. I have that little cluster here of lavender, and then the can, that little sprig sticking out behind there, and then that cute cat. I tied a little bow here, and then for our paper I used the paper pad club. So you'll see that on day 3 for sneak peeks. So you will get a dose of lavender and honey in your paper pad club as well. Let's take a look at the Serene Escape paper pad. So this time you get more designs in your paper pad, but only 2 of each. So you get some really pretty flowers in here, purples, really pretty subtle patterns, like these little triangles. They're tone on tone. You get some dragonflies, a really cute cat, a more subtle background, and a nice lavender solid. Really pretty on white. We've got some really pretty icons on that blue background. A blue background with some speckles, and then a white with some gray greeneries. Really gorgeous images, some butterflies, a nice little tone-on-tone print, a tiny print with little butterflies on there. And then on this baby blue, we've got some lavender, some really pretty images, really, really pretty. So I used a couple of sheets here from this paper pad. I used this one on this project here. I'm going to share. That's really pretty. So super, super cute. I used this one as well and this one. So let me share the ephemera. I had stuck it in this little pizza box that I created for my channel members. Really fun little project here. Decorated the front with a belly band, and on the inside I just stored my ephemera. One of our previous design team members, Danny, she used to make a bunch of pizza boxes and then store all her ephemera, which is such a cute idea. But these boxes are great for giving gifts. There's some really cute girls in here. There's these little cards with little scenes on them. Okay, so that's our ephemera pack. Now here's the previous little pizza box that I did, and this collection was using the Cup of Flowers collection that you can find in the shop. And then here are the cards that I want to decorate with the lavender collection. So these are 4x4 cards, and I shaved off just a tiny bit so they could fit into my box. So just like a sliver off of each card, just so they could fit nicely in the box. So we're going to go ahead and do some cards that match this. I'm going to cut a 3 3/4 square. That way I'll have a little bit of a border going around the card. Just like that. So I'm going to make a bunch of those for these. We have 6 of them. And then we'll add a little scallop circle and then decorate the inside. The Easy Wonder Die number 1, I'm thinking about using this piece here. It looks like it's going to fit very nicely on my card. So I'm going to cut out the remaining panels with this. An update on this die, it will start shipping soon, around May 1st. So if you did pre-order it, your order will be going out shortly, early May. I'll start working on those orders as soon as this arrives. It's supposed to ship on the 29th to me, so I should get that in a few days. I will be reordering this when die number 2 comes out, so exciting, guys. And then we also have an add-on for this, so that is in the works. So look at that, it worked out perfectly. So I'm gonna go ahead and glue those down, and then my other cards, we can create little circles and scallops for each one, and then we'll have some fun decorating. Alright, so I have all my card bases prepped. I can take some shapes left over from when I cut with the Easy Wonder die. I also have these left over when I cut the little 3 3/4 square So we have plenty here to work with. Could do that in the middle and a little flag. And then let's grab some ephemera. We also have those cute little pictures, which would be perfect for some of those. Just, you know, put that right in the center. That is going to look really cute. Little flower. Let's see what we got. We can add just a girl. Something like that. That looks really, really cute. Oh, how about this butterfly image that goes with the background? That would work. Let's see. Do that for this one. All right, so I think that one is going to go like this. So let's go ahead and add our square. All right, so there's the first one, and I think I'm going to add the sentiments on later. That way, if I need a thank you card or thinking of you, I could just change the sentiments out. So I definitely want to use this. Look at that, it's perfect. So we'll add that, and then maybe like a little flag somewhere. Something like that. Or just one of these smaller ones connecting it. I think like that. And then maybe some pearls or something on there. All right, I'm just going to add this cute little puffy heart. Okay, and that one's done. This one, let's look for that bird ephemera. Look, we can match. So let's find something to put on the center. Let's go ahead and cut this down. So I just cut it down so it is the same size as the card, the first layer there. And then we're going to add a little flag going down. Let's find where we're going to put the bird, like that. So that's how that one turned out. Let's see, we have 3 more. And then I'm going to use some peel-off strips. And there we go. So cute. All right, so these ones are done with the Easy Wonder Die, number 1. So let's see what else we can add. All right, let me see what kind of like that. This one's kind of cute because it's the desk and we have the little books in the background. So we could put that right in the center. This would be a great, just a note card. There we go. I like that. And then this one, let's see. a little pillow. Kind of like this one, it kind of goes with the images in the background. So let's add that. And then let's put that one on top. I think that looks really cute. There we go. All right, so there are all of my cute little notes. You can add a little flag on the inside with these leftovers. That would be fun. So let's take a look at all of them and then put them in our little pizza box. All right, so we've got this one. Let me bring the camera closer. This one. This one. I love this one. So there's our little gift set. I hope you enjoy the rest of the hop. Happy hopping, guys. I hope you get lots of inspiration, and I will see you in the next video. Don't forget to stop on over tomorrow to see what Teresa has in store for you. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.